Signs of hope, but Governor Hogan says Maryland has not reached the peak of the coronavirus outbreak, and now is not the time to relax. Hello, I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Rick Ritter. Some big developments today, and everyone continues to do what they are doing. The state may begin to gradually reopen in the near future. And here is the latest on the coronavirus in Maryland right now. Governor Larry Hogan has signed an executive order requiring the wearing of masks or face coverings in stores and on public transit as well.
And of the more than 10,000 cases in our state, we learned today there are 170 cases at the Future Care facility in Lockern. That is in the 21215 zip code in West Baltimore, where there are the most cases in the state. The governor also said the state is on track to triple its current testing capacity to up to 10,000 tests a day. And the state hospitalization rates, they are showing signs of stabilization. WJZ is live with team coverage. You begin with WJZ investigator Mike Helgren. He's breaking down the most up-to-date information. Mike?
Denise and Rick, for the first time today, we heard the governor start to talk about recovery. He says, though, it will require more tests, more surge hospital beds, more personal protective gear, and also extensive contact tracing for those who are positive. Now, we learned today that more than 800 people have signed up for the COVID Connect registry. That's for people who have recovered from this virus in Maryland.
47 Maryland deaths yesterday, added to the 40 deaths on Monday, making it our deadliest 48 hours to date.
Governor Hogan says while Maryland has yet to peak, hospitalization rates are stabilizing, and the state is working on a recovery plan that will require expanded testing.
We're now in a position to move from containment and mitigation to plan the gradual rollout of our recovery phase.
Maryland has also stepped up contact tracing to find out who positive patients may have exposed. The number of people doing that work will quadruple to 1,000.
What happens with that contact tracing then from the first case is the investigation to find those contacts, to reach out and to do the investigatory work in order to reach people who may have been exposed.
Governor Hogan issued an executive order requiring people to wear masks or some sort of face covering in stores and on public transit. It goes into effect at 7 Saturday morning and also applies to store employees.
I want to commend a few of our hotspots for having already taken some of these actions in their local jurisdictions, including Anne Arundel, Prince George's, Montgomery, and Charles counties.
The governor also talked about the nursing home strike teams that he's developed, and he says they have been sent out to 16 different nursing homes and 15 group homes for medically fragile children in the state. He also said he would be meeting with President Trump tomorrow, and he expected them to have a productive conversation, but he says states desperately need more federal help, and he reiterated that it will be the governors and not the president who decides when the states will reopen. Reporting live, Mike Helgren, WJZ.